Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Jamaica's dancehall artist, Chinsea Linda Lee, aka Shenseea, the Shenyang Queen, has just signed a deal. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. From last week, me I call up this girl, your name, and she sweet. She neat. I'm telling you, Shenyang know how to do it. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that red subscribe button. Yes, my families and friends, you see dancehall artist right there, Shenseea, Shenyang. She continues to expand her international brand with several collabs in the last few months, jointly with musicians from different genres, partnering with multiple companies such as Pepsi, Yagante, Shenseea latest collab, seen her partnering with British sports fashion retail company JD Sports and Adidas, while based in Bury, Greater Manchester, England. In a retail company has a number of stores in Europe and North America and South America, and features a variety of Adidas clothing as well as footwear in Shenseea's featured ad for the company. The obsessed singer rocked an Adidas leopard printed legging topped by the black hoodie, and the company trademark black and white stripe replaced with leopard stripes. The video quick cut take the artist from a monotone room to an expanse filled with a greenery of life. The 26-year-old recently shared that she has been taking her time perfecting her music and was recently featured on Skeng debut EP, Beast of the Era, as well as Nigerian Afrobeat singer Wizkid Slip and Slide, alongside Skilly Bang. Families and friends, you know send me have a little video for you, me friend. I want you to sight it up still. But I never loaded up, so bear with me a second. But what I try to show is that Shenyang Queen has been in the news media for so long. In the last few weeks, I would say the last month or so, since Spice seemed to have taken her queenly hiatus to improve her bodily presentation, it appears that the Shenyang Queen I turn on the heat, if you know what I mean. People, I want you to see. But you know that we never want you to see me. Now let me see what I can do to take care of it and show it to you. But wanna make me know if I lie me a tell. I lie me a tell. The Shenyang I had up with this. When I see the girl I had up with this. Baby, I was born to slide, yeah. No man, I want to know if see it right now again. See it, yeah. Got some dynamite and go slide, yeah. Really have one because it look like the Shenseea because it look like the Spice I go get her close because the movement where this girl you do alright and then we are one dog and see not only she looking great, not only she singing dog and see she make some power moves. You know what she done? She done Adidas. Then you move that she can't lose. She can't lose, but she want to see her up here. I make me know what's going to think of Shenyang Queen. I need some Spice right now. Because it don't look right. It don't look nice. You are doing it, you are down. about Shenyang. Just one bigger up because it appears that Chinsea Linda Lee. Because she has the Chinese in her. I ain't surprised I run down and I bleach out and can't get there. Yeah, she get a deal with Adidas. That will not know sound that is Adidas here. It appears to be, but she get a deal with Adidas. Yeah, she get a deal with Adidas, so I guess she get an endorsement deal and I'll make some money. But me I tell her, say, she in the news from about a month now. She get super worth 450,000 plus $110 million lawsuit it out there. So a good timing for you make some whole heap of money because people them a try cut out your pocket. Your organ tea. But hey, you are the Shenyang queen, so I'm sure you're from Jamaica, so you got it. More life, more joy, more happiness. People, hit the red subscribe button for me, you know. Tell me what you think. If you think say Shenyang, I got snatch, spice crown, or you think I just words are go around. Because that's in our street, you know. Yeah, remember to subscribe to the family and friends. Don't run with the thing. Remember to subscribe, like, and share to the thing.
Big up everybody for the Deep Roots TV,
my king. Big up on yourself.
Deep Roots TV.
Now me I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwal. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV. Real
Deep
TV.
Root TV. Big up yourself.
Man,
Deep Roots
big
TV.
up yourself.
Big up Deep Roots TV. My family, my mother, my father. Big up States football team. Chuck.
Big up